Hey, what's up guys? Let's make a croque monsieur with fromage from Europe, cheeses of France, Comté cheese to make it magnifique. Start by infusing the milk we'll use for the bechamel with onion, garlic, nutmeg, thyme, and black pepper. We're gonna add a little bit of salt. That's gonna go for 30 minutes. We're gonna steep it at about 180, 190. Once it's complete, we're going to strain it out. This is a huge step because it's gonna add a greater depth of flavor to the end bechamel. For the roux, we're gonna do equal parts butter and flour. Next, let's add in our infused milk. Once this comes together, it should be able to coat the back of a spoon. Next, we'll be using one of Europe's finest cheeses. It's Comté cheese, which hails from France. It's sweet and fruity with salty undertones, with aromas of roasted hazelnuts and caramelized butter. It's the perfect companion for a croque monsieur. And finally, let's build the croque monsieur. We're gonna go down with a layer of mustard, our bechamel, and then copious amounts of that Comté cheese. Next, we'll go down with some honey ham and apple slices. This is going to go in a 400-degree oven until it is warmed all the way through, and then we're gonna broil it until it is nice and bubbly on top. We're gonna get that final slice. Look at that cross section, and it's time to eat.
I've been craving some cheesy fig toast for a while now, and using fromage from Europe like Langres and large aged goat log just made it magnifique. What I love about these cheeses from France is that they are two textured cheeses, meaning they have an edible white rind with a creamy, gooey goodness inside. So once you toast the bread with some good quality French butter, add a thick layer of fig jam, slice the cheese, and here you can leave it as is or slightly broil it for some extra melted magic. Top it off with fresh sliced figs, fresh rosemary sprigs, and a good drizzle of balsamic glaze. Enjoy with your favorite drink. Full recipe is in the caption. This is so good.
Did you know there are over 1,000 kinds of cheeses of France? There are so many types of fromage from Europe. Triple creme is similar to a brie, but much creamier and buttery smooth. Bleu d'Auvergne is a sharp, salty, crumbly blue cheese. Époisse is known for its orange, wrinkly rind. It's a gooey, funky, and spoonable cheese. Mimelette's caramel nutty flavor is enhanced by the cheese mites that burrow in the rind of this cheese. Goat brie is the best of both worlds. Mild, creamy, and earthy. Goat cheese logs are fresh and tangy, and oh so spreadable. You can find more about these cheeses in the caption. And to serve these cheeses like a pro, pair them with jams, nuts, and dried fruit. And you can't forget about that fresh baguette. Make it magnifique with fromage from Europe. Bon appetit!
Fromage from Europe makes any ordinary appetizer and makes it magnifique. I'm using brie as one of the cheeses of France in this brie en croûte with strawberries and honey. Start by placing Fromage from Europe brie cheese onto the center of a square puff pastry sheet. Top with finely diced strawberries, a drizzle of honey, and fresh thyme. Fold the dough over the cheese towards the center, overlapping the folds. Gently pinch the dough in the center to seal it. Brush with egg wash and bake for 30 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit until puff pastry is golden. Top with fresh sliced strawberries and more thyme. Serve with crostini and crackers. Enjoy, my friends. It's Fromage from Europe.
I never cheat on my sugar, 'cause I'm too sweet on my sugar.